Welcome, friends. We discuss or see what are the procedure for the test code of the puddler. In first part and second part, we see the next remaining part in the next video. Now, in first video, we see the first part of the testing procedure of the puddler. The puddler is the process of manipulation of soil in the presence of standing water to produce the percolation rate and width, and this facilitate the transplanting of seedlings. And puddler is an important uh, specially designed for quick and efficient working of the soil for the preparation of the paddy field with standing water and after initial plowing. And performance evaluation of the puddler comprises the assessment of quality quantity of the work done by them, and this test code has been prepared to facilitate the performance evaluation of the puddler. Now, in the scope, this standard prescribe the guidelines for checking the specification for testing and performance evaluation of different types of puddler, such as a helical blade type, rotary blade type, or paddle type, and the puddlers may be of the animal or tractor drawn. And terminology for the purpose of standard following the definitions shall apply the puddling's mechanical manipulation of soil in the presence of standing water in the field to create the least previous layer that prevent the loss of water through percolation and facilitate the transplanting of the paddy seedling by making the soil softer. Now, field capacity contains theoretical field capacity. It is the rate of the field coverage that would be obtained if the machine were performing its function 100% of the time at the rated speed, and allows covering the 100% of its rated width. And effective field capacity, it is the actual average rate of the coverage by the machine. Field efficiency, it is the ratio of the effective field capacity to the theoretical field capacity and is expressed in a person. And puddling index, again, it is the important terminology. It is the ratio between the volume of settled soil and total volume of the sample, and it is given by the formula puddling index is equal to Vs by V into 100, where Vs is the volume of settled soil and V is the total volume of the sample. Bulk density is the mass of the soil per unit volume, and this is also known as the apparent density. If the density of the soil is high, it is said to be more contact, and bulk density shall be calculated on the dry basis. The percolation is the downward movement of the water through saturated or nearly saturated soil in the presence to the force of gravity. And infiltration is the movement of water from the surface into the soil is called as infiltration, and infiltration rate is the rate at which the water can enter the soil under specific condition include the presence of the excess water. Now, how they select the sample for test. Now, the selection sample, the puddler shall be selected at random from the series production by the representative of the testing station with consent of the manufacturer, and it would be responsibility of the manufacturer to ascertain that puddler selected for testing as per the Indian standard. And specification and other literature, the manufacturer shall supply the operator's manual, instruction manual, and detailed drawing showing all the components of the puddler. And the manufacturer shall also supply specification sheet duly filled in a given in appendix A is given in the next video, and any other information required for conducting the test shall also supplied by the manufacturer. Selection of the test plot. The minimum area of the plot for testing of the animal drawn shall be 0.25 hectare, and tractor operated for 1 hectare, and the ratio of the width and length plot shall be 1:2, and the plot selected for puddling shall be given a uniform tillage operation, and the surface shall be reasonably leveled, and slope shall not be exceed 1%. Minimum 5 to 10 centimeter of water column shall be maintained in the test plot. Now the following condition of the plot shall be checked before watering the plot of the puddling recorded, that is the location of the test plot, size of the plot, type of soil, soil pH, last crop grown, details of the tillage operation, and after the harvest of the last crop, soil moisture percentage, type of weed, weed intensity, topography of the field. And after watering of the plot for puddling, the following measurements shall be taken before puddling: height of standing water above the ground surface, bulb density at various places, and infiltration rate. And remaining part, second part of the test code of the puddler, we'll see in the next video. Thank you. Please watch the second video.